Hello, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vijeta, and today we shall be doing something different, I suppose, which is to say, we shall be talking about the publications and the people associated with it. So, let us begin. New lines associated with movement boards, Commonwealth Literature Journal associated with JCL, Transcendentalist Journal, The Dial, Walt Whitman, Brooklyn Eagle, Walt Whitman, Brooklyn Times, The Gentleman's Magazine, Edward Cave, ISLE Reader or ISLE Reader, Eco Criticism, October, Cultural Studies, Commonwealth, Marxism, Science, Feminism, Kunapepe, Post Colonialism, Kalalulu or Kalalu, Post Colonialism. Now we come to famous scenes and episodes. King Lear, Act 3, Scene 1, 2, and 4. The Storm Scenes. Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1. The Mercy episode, The Trial Scene. Hamlet, Act 3, Scene 1. The Nunnery Scene. Where Hamlet says, go and join nunnery, that scene. Hamlet, Act 5, Scene 1. The Grave Diggers Scene. Othello, Act 5, Scene 2, which is the last scene. The Bedchamber Scene. Macbeth, Act 2, Scene 3, The Porter Scene, Macbeth, Act 2, Scene 3, Sleepwalking Scene, Pericles, Act 5, Scene 1, Recognition Scene, Romeo and Juliet, Act 2, Scene 2, The Famous Balcony Scene, The Tempest, Act 1, Scene 1, Shipwreck Scene, The School for Scandal, Act 4, Scene 1, Auction Scene, The School for Scandal, The Screen Scene, Saved by Edward Bond, the stoning baby scene, very controversial, The Battle of the Books, Spider Bee episode, The Scarlet Letter, The Scaffold Scene, Pride and Prejudice, The Rejection Scene. So yeah, that was that. And I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you all in the next video. Thank you.